Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to repost a story to your own story on Instagram. So you might see a story that you really want to repost, or your friend posted a story that you like. I'll show you how to repost it on your own story. So first, go to Instagram. Once you get onto Instagram, find the story that you want to repost. I'll click on your mom's story real quick, and as you can see, if you're added in the story, then there should be an option near the bottom of the story to add it to your post. If you click that button, you can very easily add it to your story. So I can do that, and I can easily add it to my own story, as you can see here. But let's say I want to add a celebrity story to my story, like KSI's Misfits boxing match. Then there isn't any way to add it to your story unless you're added in the story. So you'll have to screenshot it and then add it to your story manually like this. So once you screenshot it, click on the plus icon in the top right corner, and then click on story on the bottom right corner and add the picture. Once you do that, you can add the celebrity or whatever else you want to do, and then you can put the story up on your story. And that's how you do it. There isn't any way to put a story that you aren't added in onto your story like you can with one that you are mentioned in. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.